If you are a recruitment agent in the Philippines who wants to get work orders from abroad, you need to follow the guidelines and requirements set by the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration. Here are some steps that you can take. First, you need to have a valid license from POEA to operate as a recruitment agency. You can apply for a license online through the POEA website. You will need to submit various documents, such as your business registration, financial statements, escrow agreement, and proof of capitalization. You will also need to pay the corresponding fees and post a surety bond. Second, you need to find foreign employers who are looking for Filipino workers. You can use various sources, such as online job portals, trade fairs, referrals, or networking. You can also contact the Philippine Overseas Labor Offices in your target countries to get information on the labor market and the hiring procedures. Third, you need to secure a manpower request or job order from the foreign employer. This is a document that specifies the number, qualifications, and salary of the workers needed. The job order must be verified by the POLO or authenticated by the Philippine Embassy in the country of destination. If there is no POLO in the country, the job order must be for at least 100 workers. Fourth, you need to recruit and select qualified applicants for the job order. You can use various methods, such as advertising, screening, interviewing, testing, or training. You must follow the ethical and legal standards of recruitment and ensure that the applicants are fully informed of their rights and obligations. Fifth, you need to process the documents and requirements of the selected applicants. This includes obtaining their passports, visas, medical certificates, pre-employment orientation seminar certificates, pre-departure orientation seminar certificates, and overseas employment certificates. You must also provide them with insurance coverage and assistance in their travel arrangements. Sixth, you need to monitor and report on the status and welfare of your deployed workers. You must maintain regular communication with them and their employers and address any issues or concerns that may arise. You must also submit periodic reports to POEA on your recruitment and deployment activities. These are some of the basic steps that you need to follow as a recruitment agent in the Philippines who wants to get work orders from abroad. For more information and guidance, you can visit the POEA website or contact their offices. You can also check out some of the best recruitment agencies in the Philippines for overseas job reference and inspiration. I hope this helps you in your endeavor. Good luck.